One thing every girl needs before school? A bag that doesn't embarrass her. Be honest, does your school bag feel like a black hole? You know you put a pen in there, but when the teacher says, take out your notes, suddenly it's gone, vanished, disappeared into another dimension. Or maybe you're carrying a bag so heavy, it feels like you're training for the Olympics just to survive the second period. No more. In this video, I'm showing you exactly what to keep in your school bag so you feel organized, prepared, calm, and low-key like the main character who has her life together. And stay till the end, because the one thing most girls forget to carry, it's the one thing that saves you from your most embarrassing school moment. This is your complete Glow Girl guide to school bag essentials. Before we talk about what goes inside, we need to talk about the bag itself, because if the bag is wrong, nothing inside it will save you. In 9th grade, I bought this super cute tote bag. It looked Pinterest approved. I felt like that girl walking into school. But by 3rd period, my shoulder was numb, my papers were bent, and every time I needed something, I had to fully dig through it while everyone waited. It wasn't aesthetic, it was stressful. Here's what actually works. A medium-sized backpack with structure. Not tiny, not oversized. It should comfortably fit 3 to 4 notebooks, 1 or 2 textbooks, and still zip easily. Look for at least 1 large main compartment, 1 smaller middle compartment, 1 front pocket, and 2 side pockets. If your bag is just 1 big empty space, everything ends up at the bottom and you'll waste time searching for 1 pen while the teacher stares at you. And trust me, that 5 minutes feels like 50. Choose padded, adjustable straps. If the straps dig into your shoulders by 3rd period, that bag is not it. Comfort is a part of confidence. Darker colors are more practical. Black, navy, deep brown, dark green. They don't show stains easily. You can always add charms or keychains to make it cute. Practical first, personality second. Now, let's open the main compartment. This is where your serious school energy lives. Textbooks and notebooks go here. But here's the rule. Only pack what you need for the next day. I used to carry every single notebook because I was scared of forgetting something. My bag felt like bricks. When I started checking my schedule at night and packing intentionally, my mornings became calmer. I stopped feeling behind before the day even started. Keep all loose papers in 1 sturdy folder. I once had to hand in a worksheet that looked like it survived a hurricane because it had been floating at the bottom of my bag for days. That moment was enough for me to never let papers roam free again. And your planner? Non-negotiable. Even if you think you'll remember, you won't. Future you at 10 p.m. will either thank you or resent you. Now let's talk about your pencil pouch. I once had a giant aesthetic pencil case filled with colorful pens. It looked impressive. I used maybe 3 of them. The rest just made my bag heavier and turned me into the class pen supplier. More stuff doesn't make you more organized, it just makes your bag heavier. So keep it simple and functional. 2 black pens, 2 blue pens, 2 pencils, 1 eraser, 1 sharpener, 1 highlighter, correction tape, a small ruler, and a calculator if you need one. That's enough. Also in this main section, keep a small self-care pouch, not for doing a full face of makeup in the bathroom, just for maintenance. Lip balm, a travel-sized perfume or body mist, hair ties, hand cream, tissues, and a small compact mirror. By lunch, you won't look the same as you did at 7 a.m. Being able to reset yourself in 2 minutes before a presentation or after PE changes how you walk back into class. Fold a light cardigan or sweater and keep it in here too. Classrooms are unpredictable. Being cold and uncomfortable all day drains your energy more than you realize. Now the middle pocket. This is your prevention zone. Your phone charger goes here. Maybe a small power bank. Fold the cables neatly so they don't tangle. Nothing spikes stress faster than seeing 3% battery and pulling out a charger that looks like a ball of spaghetti. If you bring lunch, keep it in this section and make sure it's sealed properly. I'll never forget pulling my math worksheet out of my bag and realizing it was covered in yogurt. Explaining that to a teacher while holding a damp worksheet? Character building. Not recommended. Also, keep your wallet at the bottom of this pocket so it's not easy to grab. Here's the section most girls skip. The emergency pouch. This is the one I told you about at the beginning. I remember sitting in class when my period came early and I had absolutely nothing with me. I felt my stomach drop. I had to whisper ask girls around me for help. I felt small and unprepared. I promised myself I would never feel that powerless again. So now, I always carry a small pouch with at least 2 period products, wipes, a couple of band-aids, and if you want to be extra prepared, an extra pair of underwear folded neatly. If you take medication or vitamins, keep a small pillowcase in there too. Being prepared isn't dramatic, it's powerful. Let's talk about the front pocket, because this one matters more than you think. This is your quick access zone. Your school ID should always live here. Your keys, hand sanitizer, gum, earbuds, sticky notes. If you need something quickly, it should be in this pocket, not buried under your textbooks. Side pocket number 1 is for your water bottle. Keep it there every day. Hydration affects your focus more than you realize. Half the time you think you're tired, you're just dehydrated. The second side pocket can hold an umbrella if it fits, or extra sanitizer, whatever you reach for most often. Just don't let it turn into random storage. When your bag is organized like this, something shifts. You stop scrambling and stop feeling behind. It's not about having the cutest bag in school. It's about having a bag that supports your day instead of making it harder. Comment, resetting tonight, if you're organizing your bag today, so I know we're leveling up together. And if you want more videos that help you become that girl, you already know where to find me. I'll see you in the next video.